Okay, welcome back students to our maths class of class 7. We are going to start today's solve exercise 2.1 question number 6, 7 and 8. Yesterday only one sum was solved and in that sum also there is a bit of correction in the video. While writing down the answer, I will write here exercise 2.1. Please see the correction, what correction is to be done. In yesterday's sum it was 531 upon 20 and I don't remember 531 upon 20, and one more thing was there here 470 upon 20, if I am not wrong, but this was the figures. So this 20, it should not be 20 because in the above step it was, the denominator was 530, the denominator was 20 into 3 and here it was I think 6 into 10. So the denominator should not be 20 but it should be 531 upon 60 and 470 upon 60. Okay, and these are the corrections. So this is right and this 20 was wrong. So please do the correction while you are writing the notes, or maybe when I am going to send you the notes, this first some notes won't be sent because earlier classes I have solved it in a different way. Here we have solved it in a different way. So please see, this correction is to be done. And now we will start with exercise 2.1 question number 6. Okay, we will start with question number 6. Question number 6, I will read the question for you. Salil wants to put the picture in a frame. The picture is 7 upon 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 upon 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Now only the width of the picture is given. There is a frame. The width of the frame is, we may say that it is 7 upon 10 centimeter, and width of the picture is 7 upon 5 centimeters. So we have to trim the picture so that it should fit into the frame. So let us start with our solution, and the information given is, first, width of picture equals to 7 upon 5 centimeter, and width of frame equals to 7 upon 10 centimeter. Okay, so width of picture is given, width of frame is given, and this fraction is greater, this fraction mixed number is smaller. So what we have to do, that the picture should be trimmed. Trimmed means it should be cut down. Cut means subtraction. If you want to cut something, it means subtraction. So here we have to perform the subtraction operation, and the width of picture to be trimmed. Okay, the width of picture to be trimmed equals to 7 upon 5 minus 7 upon 10 centimeters. Simple subtraction is there. Both are mixed numbers. They both are to be subtracted. Again, convert the mixed numbers into improper fraction. So how it will be converted? 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3, 38. So this equals to 38 upon 5 minus 10 7s are, this is 7. Please write it properly. 10 7s are 70. 70 plus 3, 73. 73 upon 10. Okay, so this is to be done now. Subtraction is to be done. Trim means subtraction. Find out the LCM. I will work out here 5 and 10 LCM. Start with the 2. 5 here, 2 5s are 10, then 5 1s are. So LCM equals to 10. Now we have found the LCM, we just have to solve it. So this equals to 38 multiplied by 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2 minus 73 multiplied by 1 upon 10 multiplied by 1. Simple subtraction we are doing of the fraction. So this equals to 38 into 2, 76 divided by 76 upon 10 minus 73 upon 10. So the width of the picture to be trimmed equals to, both the denominators are same, 76 minus 73, 3 upon 10 centimeters. So this much the picture should be trimmed. Now 3 upon 10 is a proper fraction, so we leave our answer here. Okay, now question number 7 we are going to solve. Question number 7. Let me read the question for you. Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share by how much? Simple, it is a very simple sum. So first we will write down the solution. Not solution but information first. Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple. 3/5 part means the denominator shows us what is the total part of the apple. So 5 is the denominator, that means 5 is the part of the apple. So this means that first write down the information. Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of apple. So this denominator 5 shows us what is the total part of the apple. Okay, so total part of apple equals to 5 upon 5 means a whole apple, it has been divided into 5 parts, and out of those 5 parts 3 parts has been eaten by Ritu. So the total part of apple is 5 upon 5, that means of 1 whole part. 5 upon 5 means this is a fraction form, but 1 whole part. Okay, so out of 5 upon 5, 3 upon 5 part of apple is eaten by Ritu. So how much part did Somu get? Somu got part of apple. Somu, her brother got how much part? Somu ate. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts she has eaten. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts she has eaten. So only 2 parts are left, but we have to show it mathematically in calculation. So part of apple Somu ate equals to 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. This equals to 2 upon 5 parts. That means out of 5 parts, 3 parts are eaten by Ritu, and out of 5 parts, 2 parts are eaten by Somu. By how much? Therefore, Ritu had, one more question they have asked, who had the larger share? Ritu had larger share by how much? 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. This equals to 1 upon 5 parts. So 1 part Ritu ate more, or 1 part she got more than Somu. So this is the 7th sum. The sum finishes here.